The African Liberation Movement, which was headquartered in Dar es Salaam in Tanzania, was one of the bodies that was in the forefront of liberating the countries that had not been liberated. They made a contribution for the liberation of Zimbabwe, for the liberation of Namibia and of South Africa and of Angola and of Mozambique. They made their contribution.
Hello everyone, Jambo, konnichiwa, maganda hapon, wadira wa maana bababa. Alright, it's Masunga John here, and today I want to share with you some of the good intentions and ideas of our African nation fathers. Alright, so in this video you are going to listen to what Julius Kambarage Nyerere, the founder of Tanzania, and NKRUMAH of Ghana, and their ideas and intentions for Africa. If you listen to what Professor LUMUMBA is talking about, is just overwhelming. It's amazing. These leaders had a very, very good intention for Africa. So I wonder if our leaders now still have the vision they had, like uniting Africa, making it one nation. I know it's not easy, it's difficult, but first let's listen to the speech of Patrick Lumumba, and please, after listening, please drop your comments and let's have a discussion. Please listen.
Julius Nyerere, speaking on the 6th day of March 1997, on the occasion of the 40th anniversary of the independence of Ghana, reminded his audience that they had met in 1964 in Accra, Ghana. And in Accra, once again, Kwame told his audience, listen to me. Let us unite. He had said it even in Addis Ababa. Let us unite, and I am prepared not to be the president. I even suggest the capital of that new Africa, let it be in Bangui, or Leopoldville, then called now Kinshasa. They did not listen. And Nyerere says that when they were in Accra, he had a former head of state saying, when the project had failed, I'm happy that I'm leaving Accra, still a president of my country. That is the Africa that you are asking me to talk about. That is her state. Disunited as we speak, weak, and sometimes even disrespected. Today, and over the years, the appetite for making Africa great again has never died. It has always been there. And there has been no shortage of efforts across the continent of Africa. In 1963, we ended up with the Organization of African Unity, which did a few good things, we cannot deny. The African Liberation Movement, which was headquartered in Dar es Salaam in Tanzania, was one of the bodies that was in the forefront of liberating the countries that had not been liberated. They made a contribution for the liberation of Zimbabwe, for the liberation of Namibia and of South Africa and of Angola and of Mozambique. They made their contribution. But when we regained our independence, there is a sense in which we have not realized our potential despite the best intention of the best of us.
Now, what do you think? Wasn't that wonderful? What do you think of Julius Kambarage Nyerere and Kwame Nkrumah? They had a very, very good idea. I wish the new leaders now have the same idea. Uniting Africa is inevitable, although it's very difficult. If that happens, then Africa will be very, very strong, I think. Right? So please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you for watching this video. It's Masunga John, and bye for today.
Sorry, it's DJ.